Sir, tell me yourself, Chandana.
Hello, sir. Myself, Chandana. I am from Suchitra.
Mm-hmm.
I have completed my graduation in 2016 in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in Polarity Institute of Technology.
Okay.
So, I'm married. I have one baby. After my graduation, I have joined in BPO company, Cytel. I have done 5.5 years. I have experience in non-voice.
Okay.
After my baby, after lockdown, the office got started, so I can't go to office. So I resigned that. I got time, so I want to move to IT side. I have joined Vcube to learn testing.
Good. Can I have a resume and your attempt papers? Okay. So you done graduation, Polarity. Okay, as you are from non-voice, right? So then why you're coming into IT? Any reason behind it?
So first only I have interested in IT side. After my graduation, I learned Java, but due to communication skills, I have from Telugu medium background that time, so I didn't select. I have tried 1 year in Java side, so I didn't select.
What's out of it due to the lack of communication? Okay.
So after 1 year, I have joined in Cytel non-voice. In 2017, I have moved to non-IT.
Non-IT.
Now I have time, so I want to move IT side.
Okay, very good. So tell me, what are the things that you're good on technical skills in manual? What are the good topics that you learn?
Functional level testing, sir. SDLC, STL types, defect management.
Okay.
Agile models.
Tell me defect life cycle.
Like
what are defect life cycle?
Defect life cycle is a cycle where the defect phase goes from different phases, stages.
Okay. Tell me, explain about defect life cycle, entire phases.
Draw.
No, don't write. Without drawing, try to explain it.
In defect life cycle, we have different phases like new, open, reject, accept, closure. First, QA team member will identify defect and raise the defect. So after that, QA lead or manager review that defect whether it's correct or not. Then QA team lead or manager will assign the defect to the development team.
Wait. So what is the difference between a system designing and test designing?
System designing, the architectural diagram of the application will be designed, and test designing, the test scenarios and test cases will be prepared by QA team.
Okay, good. So are good on writing test cases and test scenarios? Okay, sure. Can you write test cases for this remote? Just write test case names only. Don't write anything. At least write 5 test cases. Just write first 5 test case names. Sorry. So what's the difference between waterfall model and an agile model?
Waterfall model is a linear sequential flow. It is a whole process. It is not useful for larger requirements. And coming to agile model, it is by using agile model, we can closely interact with user. It has different tools we can use in agile model like Jira tool.
Okay, what's the difference between regression testing and retesting?
Regression testing is nothing but if any new code change happens in the application due to new requirement or defect fix, that code change will affect the side effect the other components in the application. To check that side effect components are affected or not, we do regression testing. Retesting is nothing but if a defect fix happens in the application, QA team will recheck the defect whether it's working fine or not. Okay. And retesting starts before regression, and regression is starts after retesting.
Why retesting follows manual testing only?
Retesting contains failed test cases, so it is not stable, right? That's why we will do manual testing.
Okay. And so what type of test cases you need to consider to do regression testing?
frequently failed test cases, frequently code change test cases, or major functionality test cases.
Okay. So, what are the differences between STLC and SDLC?
SDLC means system software development life cycle. In this, we test entire the system. So, in SDLC, all the team members will involve, like crew member, developers, stockholders, business analysts, everyone, etc. In SDLC, only QA team will involve. In SDLC, only testing related activities will be done.
Okay. What about understanding we are going to do in engine exit criteria?
What are the inputs and outputs for the phases?
Okay. Tell me the input phases for test execution.
Inputs are test scenarios and test cases.
Okay. What are the difference between test scenario and test case?
Difference. Test scenario defines the user's journey, verifies the user journey. Test cases are contains attributes to write test cases.
Tell me what are attributes we will have in test cases.
Test case ID, test case name, test case description, test design description, expected result.
Okay. Tell me about what are the things that you have seen in Jira tool.
Jira tool, we can write the test cases using Jira tool, and we can upload the Excel sheets. Also, we can upload in Jira tool. We can execute that test cases also.
Yeah. Apart from that, do you have anything that you are going to do in Jira tool? Only those two things: writing a test case, uploading Excel sheets, and uploading results. You're not creating any user stories. You're not creating any processing user stories.
Writing test cases.
Okay. So that's it from me. And Chandana, do you have any questions?
How about my resume?
The resume, right? Your resume is good, but the only thing is technical skills. Jira tools.
About that.
So what I will do, so I'll provide a sample resume for you in the group itself. Try to see the sample resumes related to your experience, so that I'll get more in.
Can I change my that profession to IT?
Yeah, you can easily change. What is your designation there at Chocolate List?
Yes.
Customer Services Associations. Do you have any IT in your company?
That time I'm not. Now,
Okay, that's no problem. But you
can I convert it to QA?
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
have QA in our.
Yeah, you work and queue in your organization. It's never make any differences. Only thing is because coming to my feedback, right? I don't have any feedback for you. You're good on communications. You're good on the technical skills. But when you're giving the answer, right? Try to give more confidence. You're not showing any confidence onto it. You're just giving you right. Is right or wrong? Just asking me out itself. So that's current itself. But the only thing is, you show more interest onto it when you're giving any answer. Let him be wrong, right or wrong. It never makes, but more confidence when you're giving the answer itself. That is the only feedback that I need to provide for you. You got good marks, and how you feel about the technical sessions?
Good, sir. I'm able to understand.
Each and everything, right? Okay. Did you compare each and everything with your other real-time employees? Try to
One employee only, so but she is in maternity leave now, and she is working on automation, Selenium.
Okay, but anyhow, she know about manual testing. Try to interact with her and try to get more information. See that, show that question paper. Ask them whether my sessions are good or not, so that you'll get more involved onto the sessions. Okay, then that's it for the day. You can leave.
Thank you.